Hey guys, Matthew here with Cool Stuff again, and today my sister's with me.
Hey again!
We have the iPhone XS. This is the 512 gigabyte version that she got, and so we're going to go ahead and unbox this. So I know this has been out for a couple months, but we just were able to get this. And so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So, you wanna use the knife?
Nope.
Nope?
Here you go.
Okay. I don't have my special knife this time. I have to use a kitchen knife, but it is what it is. Okay, well, I don't have to use the knife this time. Sad day. No. Don't need that.
Toss it.
Shake it a little bit. I won't toss it because it's hers.
Thank you.
Got some paperwork.
Don't toss it either.
Got the Apple sticker. A quick hello. A SIM ejection tool. And then some warranty stuff. But I'll also not toss this because it's hers.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You know, if it was mine, I would have been gone so fast. And the first thing we're greeted with after the paperwork is the phone itself, displayed right here. So let's go ahead and boom. So we'll put this to the side. The next thing we have is the headphones that are kind of AirPod looking, but with wires. And then you have sadly, a 5-watt power brick, which I don't know why Apple does not go ahead and include a fast charger, because this phone does support 7.5 watt fast charging. But anyways, it's Apple being Apple. And then you have the Lightning USB cable. And sadly, there is no dongle to this. Apple's trying to penny pinch and not...
What's it called again?
Penny pinch.
No.
Penny pinch.
No.
Oh, dongle. Apple did not include a dongle this year, but for $10, you too can go to the Apple store and get a dongle, which is why I don't like Apple.
That's such a strange word.
So we'll put this to the side now. There you go. Don't want to throw it. And here is the phone, right here. So, can we get a moment of silence while Sophie unwraps the wrapper? Okay. And there we go. Oh, she threw something. And this is the phone itself. So in a few weeks or whenever, we'll try to do a review on this phone, maybe like a month or 2-month review after we get this phone. But anyways, this is the iPhone XS, and this is the 512 gigabyte version. So yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll be back with you later.